Brad Williams, XL Prime. Look up player name and wins. Here we have players. What's critical here is the case sensitivity. We're going to use some product, but then we want exact information. We're going to use the exact. We're going to embed or nest the exact in here. Other than that, we're going to find E5. If we find E5 exact, we're going to sum up any wins. Here, we're going to look. We have this text, F5, and text before. Notice no name ranges. We're using range references, F9. All we're doing is looking at this B5 to B14. No need to look there. Then exact, if we capture this, F9, we're going to see false, 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 false. I guess there are no Johns here. F9. Here we have 1, 2. Okay, we have 1 John. And we have wins 4. See how this works? All we're doing is comparing B to C. If it's exact, what's going to happen? Well, some product's going to do its thing. It's going to multiply the trues or the ones with C5 to C4. Let's see if we can uncover this. I don't know, F9. So we have 1, and then here we have C5, F9. We're going to go 1 times 4 is 4, 0 times 7, 0, and so on and so forth. The sum's going to come in here, and we're going to get 4. Now here, I think this is a duplicate. Because the other example was a duplicate, I deleted it. The narrative, for the most part, I covered everything here. Review it, read it if you need it. Brad Williams, XL Prime.